This didn't fail overnight. This was building up for a long time. This is a DD15 cylinder head, and what you're looking at is a burnt and failed valve. A lot of people think this just happens randomly, but it doesn't. This is heat damage over time. And here's what most people don't realize. This kind of failure happens when the engine is operating outside of what it was designed for. When you push an engine past its design limits, you start creating conditions it wasn't built to handle. And one way we see that happen is through modifications. Some setups make the truck feel like it's running better, more power, quicker throttle response, more boost, more fuel. And it does feel stronger. But that extra power is coming from pushing the engine past its design limits. When that happens, it changes how fuel, air, and heat are managed inside the engine. And that can lead to higher combustion temperatures and more stress on internal components. Systems like the EGR aren't just there for emissions, they also help manage temperature and how the engine operates under load. When that balance is changed, the engine can end up running hotter than intended. And over time, that heat leads to what you're seeing right here. Valves burn, weaken, and eventually fail. It might run fine for a while, but this is what it turns into. And by the time it gets here, you're into major engine work. Whether it's maintenance or modifications, the key is understanding how heat affects your engine over time. If your truck is showing signs of performance issues or heat-related problems, it's worth getting it checked early. TAT Express.